Hey guys, Carlos Ala here. Today I'm gonna show you how to win your first dollars doing copywriting with this simple technique. So let's go. First, when you're starting the copywriting business, there's a lot of branches, right? You can do sales pages, you can do emails, you can do descriptions, you can do there's an infinite amount of things, right? But when we are beginning, we are like, why should I do? What should I do? What do I like the best? We don't even know how much to charge. So I'm gonna give you a simple technique, a structure that I use to make my first money in copywriting, so you can duplicate it and get the same result quick. So let's go. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna learn this cool method that I'm gonna show you on how to do descriptions. Pay attention, descriptions for products in Shopify stores. You gotta be really specific, because when you're starting out, you can't just go and say, hey, I'll do copywriting, I'll do anything, because you're not gonna get the clients, you're not gonna get results. You first need to do one thing really good so you get this cash flow, and then you can start doing other high ticket things or different things. So today I'm gonna show you one technique to get the first clients and get going, to get the first person to pay you, so you're gonna getting momentum, and then you see that everything is possible and you can be more and more broad. So I'm gonna show you how to do descriptions for products. Obviously, you need to apply everything that you know about marketing, about people's need, about why people buy. But it's really simple. Even if you don't know it, you can use this simple technique and reply it as long as you want. And it's really quick and easy. So this method, it's called the golden circle. It was invented or made by this guy, Simon Sinek. With this book, Start With Why. He basically says that the most important thing is to start telling people why. Why should they do this? Why should they do this? Why should they buy this product? So the golden circle goes like this. It starts with why, then you tell how the thing is gonna achieve this why, and then you say the what to the end. So in this way, you don't start. If you are selling glasses, you don't start like glasses and then the benefits. You end the benefit to the end. It's like a movie. You don't want to know the end of the movie right away, right? If you start a movie and someone tells you like, yeah, the main character is gonna die, or he dies in the first scene, it's gonna be like, okay, I have nothing else to wait for, right? So the thing about selling is that you need to start building up the emotion, start building up the benefits, start making pictures in people's mind, like it's gonna do this, you're gonna solve this problem, your life is gonna be better because of this, you're not gonna struggle with this anymore. And then you tell them, this is the solution. You don't start with the solution right away. So you start with why. So let's say you're selling these blue light filter glasses, and you start with why. And then I would start like this. Okay, have you ever noticed that you don't sleep quite well, that you can't sleep at the times that you want, that you are the whole day you are tired, and at the time that you are finally going to rest, you can't deeply sleep, or you feel really tired, or it's really like hard for you to wake up in the morning? And that's the why they should buy. They don't know yet what. Now you need to tell how are they gonna achieve this that you promised. You promised them sleeping well, you promised them going to sleep quick and profound and waking up better in the easiest way, right? So how can they achieve this? By some habits. And then you could tell, okay, you need to change your habits, you need to block blue light. So then they start wondering, okay, he's talking about blue light. What would be the answer, right? So you need to block I would do it like this. You need to block some lights that avoid you from getting all this chemical called melatonin, which is the one that makes you sleep deeper and better. So you need to stop your body from creating this chemical. So they're like more curious. So you have already gave them a reason, the science, you have explained some of it, right? Like, oh, if I could just do this, how I would get the result. So you should do it because of this. How are you gonna get this is in this way, blocking some kind of lights that doesn't allow you to sleep profoundly. And then you give the why, the what. Why, how, and what. And then at the end you tell them the new blue light black glasses are the perfect thing for you, are the perfect product for you right now. So if you want this, that it's gonna be achievable by this, you this. So people understand all the way in one description, one simple and yet really, really powerful description. So you start with why, then you give the how, and then the what. And you can use this technique quickly. It's really, really easy. When you start doing it, I would practice with some stuff like this. You could grab anything that you have and practice why, how, what, why, how, what. And then you can go on and post in any copywriting group, or even in Upwork or Fiverr or any other thing. You just post, I'll do any product descriptions right on your Shopify store. And you just do that, and you post that and that and that and that. And it's gonna take you like less than an hour to do it. And you can charge $10, $10, $15 per description. But the good thing here is that if they got a store, they're likely gonna have a lot of products, and they're gonna keep putting more and more products. So the important thing here, guys, is doing it like if you're getting paid 10K for doing it. Doing the best description ever. So in the future, you can get more and more copy from them. You can tell them, hey, I'll do 100 of your products and we can negotiate certain price. Really important, guys, ask for the 50% in advance or the 100% in advance. Like, it's a low ticket. So if they don't want to give you money in advance, just run away. That's a clear sign that it's not, they shouldn't care to pay you a half of it, right? And then when you have all your portfolio, you start building it, because you can put all the clients you have done and people are gonna see like, oh, these descriptions are really good. And even way better if you have the results, if they can give you, you know, the selling result, like, okay, started in this, then when we changed the description, we sold more and more, and that would be really, really good for future prospects and clients. So the important thing, guys, is use the method, the why, how, and what. Master it, but you don't have to be really, really good. You just need to know how it works. And then you can post in the copy groups really specifically. I can do descriptions for products and put it right in your Shopify store. That's it. So that's when people think, okay, I need a description for a product in Shopify store, they're gonna get exactly to you. So in this way, you are not really broad, you are really specific. And in this way, you're gonna get quicker results, and you're gonna practice copy, and you're gonna get your first cash flow, and then you can keep going and keep growing. So I hope you use this technique, guys. It's really powerful, really simple, and in this way, I bet you are gonna get your first selling, your first money giving any service and starting in this copywriting magic world. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, let it down below. If you have any new ideas, and I'll see you later.